We went out on this job the other night, about 9 o'clock. Stayed till about 1:30. This guy had a basement. It was like 3,600 square feet. We extracted water from every area, set up a lot of equipment, pulled all of his baseboard, drilled some holes in the walls. I think we set up 58 air movers, 9 dehumidifiers, an air scrubber, power distribution box. That's about it. Check it out. I got about 30 more air movers up there, but I don't think we're going to bring them all down here tonight.
No.
I just want to put a bunch of dehus, set them up. And
is your garage open?
Yeah. I got all this.
You can leave them in the garage if you want.
Well, they're in the van right now, but I got a bunch. Well,
I'm going to give everybody one more pass.
I got 16 air movers out here and 30 in the van. And I got 5 more dehus. So
yeah, so I figure
I'm just going to space these out in the areas that looks like it's good for now. All dry now. Fuse panel room. Storage area. Theater room. Bathroom. Small bar. Common area.
This is clear, so you can't tell. Okay. You know, but anyway, you can get that product. I expect that to be that. This for paint makes it fine. It's actual sealer attachment.
Bedroom.
That's because you have 2 choices. Take the drywall out of that closet. Take the drywall out.
HVAC area. Back to the common area. Kitchen area. Dining. Master bedroom. Master bath. One sump pump. Master closet. Second sump pump. 5-day dry out.